You got married, and my understanding, okay, let me clarify, from what has been read is that discover that the guy is impotent. Wala don't shele. Again, we come to this issue of testing and all of that. And the question is, who told her that all those that tested ended up having happy homes? You see, when you are not married and you are exposing yourself to content that awaken part of you that should not be awake, all you think about is sex. All you think about is that marriage is about sex. Wow, once I marry like this, we'll be having sex 3 times a day. We'll be. Once I see somebody like that, I know he's a boy. Life is not really about sex. Success in marriage actually is not even just about sex, So this is a lack of understanding about what it takes to succeed in marriage. She cannot perform up to my expectation. That's how most families are. That is how most families are. And the thing is, I agree, there could be low libido, there could be medical cases, there could be things that need to be worked on. But when young people talk about their expectations, many times they are talking because they are exposing themselves to pornographic content. And they look at the energy with which those guys are performing. Number one, those videos are edited. It doesn't mean that he did it that long. The guy was just there for 2 hours. Number two, they use drugs. They are not normal. And some of those drugs have side effects. Don't say, I will buy the drugs at all. You just kill yourself. Now, number three, many of those things, they are just acted. That's what it is. They are just acted. You want to compare your guy who is a child of God, who is a professional, writing professional exam, with the guy who is not a professional at any other thing other than bed. You want to compare the person with, you're just going to kill your guy. That's not how it works in real life, I don't know who wrote the question, but sorry, that's not how it works in real life. Praise God. But this is a bit different. You got married, and my understanding, okay, let me clarify, from what has been read is that discover that the guy is impotent. Wala don't shele. So they need to go back to the church where they are joined and talk to the pastor that a material information was withheld at the point of joining. You see, marriage is also a legal thing because you went to court, and I said I do on the ground that all the information you have provided and you should provide have been provided. But in a situation where lawyers will call it material information, in a situation where you withheld a material information, that your factory does not have a major equipment, in law it can be considered null and void ab initio. And I've seen cases in the past where they had to say, we were deceived into joining you. We wouldn't have joined you if we had this information. Therefore, we cancel this wedding. It's as if we never joined you. So they will do that. Because where do you start from? Day one, you now discover that till Jesus come, no, we'll cancel that marriage. So that was, I said, they are not the same thing, no? Okay, praise God.